Learning English idioms can make your speaking sound natural, confident, and fluent. In this video, you will learn 10 very useful English idioms explained simply with examples. Let's start right now. Idiom 1. Break the ice. Meaning, to start a conversation and make people feel comfortable. Example. He told a joke to break the ice at the meeting. We use this idiom when the situation feels awkward or silent. Idiom 2. Hit the nail on the head. Meaning, to say or do something exactly right. Example. You hit the nail on the head with your explanation. This idiom is used when someone is 100% correct. Idiom 3. Once in a blue moon. Meaning, something that happens very rarely. Example, I eat fast food once in a blue moon. Use this idiom to talk about rare events. Idiom 4. Piece of cake. Meaning, something very easy to do. Example, this English lesson is a piece of cake. If a task feels simple, this idiom fits perfectly. Idiom 5. Under the weather, meaning feeling sick or unwell. Example, I'm feeling under the weather today. This is a polite way to say you are not feeling good. Idiom 6. Cost an arm and a leg, meaning very expensive. Example, that phone costs an arm and a leg. Use this idiom when something is too costly. Idiom 7. Spill the beans, meaning to reveal a secret. Example, he spilled the beans about the surprise party. This idiom is used when someone shares hidden information. Idiom 8. Beat around the bush, meaning to avoid talking directly about something. Example, stop beating around the bush and tell the truth. This idiom is often used in serious conversations. Idiom 9. Call it a day, meaning to stop working for now. Example, let's call it a day and continue tomorrow. Use this when work or activity is finished. Idiom 10. On cloud 9, meaning extremely happy. Example, she was on cloud 9 after getting the job. This idiom shows great happiness or joy. Quick revision. Say it fast. Now let's revise all 10 idioms quickly. Repeat them after me to improve fluency. Break the ice. Hit the nail on the head. Once in a blue moon, piece of cake under the weather. Cost an arm and a leg. Spill the beans, beat around the bush. Call it a day on cloud 9. Speaking them out loud helps your brain remember faster. Real-life practice sentences. Situation 1. At work. Let's break the ice before the meeting starts. You really hit the nail on the head with that idea. This task is a piece of cake. Situation 2. With friends. I meet him once in a blue moon. Don't spill the beans about the surprise. Stop beating around the bush and be honest. Situation 3. Daily life. I'm feeling under the weather today. That car costs an arm and a leg. I'm on cloud 9 after hearing the good news. How to use idioms naturally. Use one idiom per sentence, not many together. Practice speaking, not just reading. Listen to movies and notice idioms. Use them in daily conversations. Idioms make your English sound native and confident. 60-second challenge. Try to say these 3 sentences without stopping. This test is a piece of cake. I was on cloud 9 after the result. Let's call it a day. If you can say this smoothly, your English is improving fast. Speaking practice. Sound confident. Now speak these sentences slowly and clearly. Pause for 1 second after each sentence. I try to learn new English idioms every day. Learning idioms is a piece of cake if you practice daily. I feel on cloud 9 when I speak English confidently. Confidence comes from practice, not perfection. Mistakes to avoid. While using idioms in very formal writing, translating idioms word by word. Using too many idioms in one sentence. Use idioms mainly in spoken English. Keep sentences short and clear. Mini conversation. Using idioms. Person A, you look happy today. Person B, yes, I'm on cloud 9. I got a new job. Person A, that's great. Don't spill the beans yet. Person B, sure. Let's call it a day and celebrate. This is how idioms sound natural in conversation. Memory trick. Learn faster. Link each idiom with a real situation in your life. The brain remembers stories, not lists. Example. You felt nervous in a meeting. Break the ice. You were very happy. On cloud 9, final motivation. You don't need perfect English. You need clear, confident English. Idiom 11. Keep an eye on meaning. To watch or take care of something. Example, please keep an eye on my bag. Idiom 12. In hot water, meaning in trouble. Example, he is in hot water for coming late. Idiom 13. Back to the drawing board, meaning start again because the plan failed. Example, the idea didn't work, so it's back to the drawing board. Idiom 14. Get cold feet, meaning feel nervous and lose confidence. Example, she got cold feet before the interview. Idiom 15. The ball is in your court, meaning it's your turn to take action. Example, I've explained everything. Now the ball is in your court. Idiom 16. Burn the midnight oil, meaning work late into the night. Example, I burned the midnight oil to finish the project. Idiom 17. Go the extra mile, meaning do more than what is expected. Example, he always goes the extra mile for his success. Idiom 18. Pull yourself together, meaning calm down and control emotions. Example, pull yourself together and try again. Idiom 19. No pain, no gain, meaning success needs hard work. Example, remember, no pain, no gain. Idiom 20. Actions speak louder than words, meaning what you do matters more than what you say. Example, he promised a lot, but actions speak louder than words. Fast speaking drill. Say these sentences without stopping. I will go the extra mile. The ball is in your court now. No pain, no gain. Confidence. Tip. Even if you make mistakes, keep speaking. Fluency grows when fear disappears.